Hey everyone! Struggling with YouTube not loading in Google TV? This issue can be a real headache when you're just trying to enjoy your favorite content. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix YouTube not loading in Google TV with simple steps that can have you back to watching in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, check your internet connection. Without a stable connection, Google TV won't load any app properly, let alone YouTube. Ensure your Wi-Fi is working by connecting another device like a phone or tablet to see if they can access the internet. A quick fix can often be achieved by rebooting your router or modem. Simply unplug them for about 10 seconds before plugging them back in. Step 2. Restart Google TV. Sometimes a simple restart can solve many tech issues. To restart your Google TV, navigate to your Settings menu. From there, select System and then Restart. This process often resolves temporary glitches that could be preventing YouTube from loading correctly. Step 3. Update the YouTube app. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Head to the Google Play Store on your Google TV, search for YouTube, and see if there's an update available. If so, update the app and try loading YouTube again. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Sometimes accumulated cache and data can interfere with app performance. Go to your Google TV settings, select Apps, then YouTube. Clear the cache first, and if that doesn't solve the problem, try clearing the data. Remember, clearing data will log you out, so be ready to sign back in. Step 5. Check Google TV system updates. Ensure your Google TV is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then select System and About. Check for updates, and if one is available, proceed with the installation. System updates not only bring new features, but also fix bugs and improve overall performance. Step 6. Consider a reinstallation. If YouTube still isn't loading properly after following these steps, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Navigate to the Google Play Store. Select the YouTube app and choose Uninstall. Once uninstalled, simply reinstall to see if the problem resolves. Having YouTube not load on your Google TV can be frustrating, but usually it's simple. By taking these steps from checking your internet connection, updating apps, or clearing cache, you enhance the performance of your Google TV significantly. If you followed all the steps and YouTube is still not loading, consider reaching out to Google support or browsing community forums for additional help. Remember, keeping your apps and system updated can prevent many common issues, and a little troubleshooting can go a long way. Enjoy uninterrupted streaming and happy watching.